Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this banana. As you can see, I've got it in the rose yellow. You can also get it in pistachio green. Right off the bat, I can tell you I really like the minimalist boxing here. This is boxed completely in biodegradable material, so you know the company's environmental friendly. As you can see right up here, there's this extended handle that comes out. This is patented state-of-the-art technology that helps it attach to other bananas, like a whole bunch if you have them. So that's really cool. It also helps in unboxing. So let's go right ahead and do that. Okay, I can tell you I'm really liking this unboxing. You don't need any knives, like so. You can put it down here. I'm creating a bit of a mess. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so here is the banana itself. Feels very light, which is really nice. The packaging, of course, is pretty thin, and so you can see this light bruising here, so it's not completely protecting the material, which itself is pretty delicate. Here, of course, is the infamous curve of the banana. It feels good to hold in your hand. Let's see down here. Okay, yeah, you'll notice that they have removed the headphone jack. So there's no headphone jack on this banana. Now this is the banana compared to a MacBook Air side by side. You can see that the Mac is much thinner. This is quite thick. Okay, the banana itself did not come with a charger. I bought one separately right here. So let's see, let's just try and plug that in. Yep. Yeah, that's got easy plug feature, so that's good. Let us know in the comments below if you're gonna upgrade to a banana, and stay tuned for our next video where we're going to do a comparison between an apple and an orange.
Everything's fine?